Logan, welcome back to my studio. We're going through a tour of the mat. I've had a lot of people ask questions about different exercises and what they should be doing in them, and I thought it'd be fun to go through a whole tour and just talk more in-depthly about each exercise. I have done many of these exercises before in the past, so it's kind of fun to watch both videos. They're all on the mat playlist, so definitely check them out. I also have preps and props on a lot of these exercises in the mat playlist, and I think you'll have a lot of fun with that. If you've been really working on each one of these exercises and getting your questions answered, I do challenge you to join on my online weekly mat classes to see how you can test your mat skills and flow from one exercise to the next. So recently we did the corkscrew, and now we're going to do the saw. So the saw is a really tricky exercise. There's a lot going on and there's a lot of weird variations, and that's totally fine. But I find this one I'm going to teach you is really helpful for almost all humans. And really what I want you to be able to feel is a twist and a bend, and not necessarily like how far you can stretch your hand past your foot or how much you can twist the arm behind you, okay? So when you come up for your saw after your corkscrew, your legs actually go into the center of your moon boxes. So if you don't have moon boxes, just take them off of your mat. Now, just like we talked about in the spine stretch forward, we don't want the heels off the mat with your knees down. So push your heels down. Another thing, it's really easy to sit either too far forward on your sit-bones or too far back. So try to find a place where you can sit on your seat and really ground your thigh bones, not your knees. That's tricky for me too. So I kind of have to soften my knees and then ground my thigh bones, and then my stomach can pull in. And your arms are nice and wide to the side, they're connected to your wings. So as you twist to the right, you're gonna round forward. Now, when you twist to the right, your left hip is gonna wanna do this. That is turning over, my friends. We don't wanna do that, it's not so fun. So when you twist to the right, you're gonna feel like you're pulling your left hip down and back energetically, right? So as I twist to the right, my palms stay facing down. I'm still pulling my left hip down and back. There's still weight on my left hip. I round forward. Sometimes I can put this hand outside my foot to help me twist my waist around more. And then you pulse 1, 2, 3, you lift up. You unwind, you go to the other side. So as I go to the left, the right hip pulls back. I pull my stomach in and I pulse 1, 2, 3, and I come up. What you don't want to do is do funky things here. You're trying to keep your upper back wide. You're trying to twist your waist. So it's like the crisscross, obliques. Your head's gonna wanna look at your hand. Look at your belly button. Pull it back as you pulse 1, 2, 3, and up. Center off, stomach in. Pull your belly button back and watch it. Pull back 1, 2, 3. You do like 3 to 5 on each side. You're trying to get deeper and deeper, but you really wanna keep your hips from sliding back and forth. It's gonna affect all of your twisting. Your crisscross will get better, your corkscrew will get better, your spine twist will get better, twist on the short box will get better. If you can learn how to twist without turning, it gets really fun. And then you really feel these like obliques and sideways, and it helps you hold yourself up taller and more together. So I get nitpicky about the saw for many reasons, but mostly so that you can just do everything else you do in life better. Like take your groceries from the cart to your trunk without having to like shuffle and turn. Okay, if you have questions with the saw, please let me know. Again, really focus on the opposite, pulling back as you twist around, and then don't let your neck go too far in one direction. Keep it in line with your spine, and I think you'll really enjoy this whole exercise. For more exercises, check out onlinepilatesclasses.com. We have free tutorials and $5 weekly classes. I'm Lesley Logan. Thank you so much for watching.